this is also a video to show you that you don't need a great camera to take great photos. You will see how my son takes great photos using just a simple point and shoot camera, right? Hello everybody, Damien Atlassic and my son Xavier Atlassic, right?
Yeah,
Today,
right, yes. Yep.
I almost thought I'm going to get a heart attack climbing up this giant hill here to get the beautiful view here of the castle here by our home city of Częstochowa. It's located in the little town of Olsztyn. Yeah, so here we'll walk around, take some photos. I got my Minolta film camera, but I won't have time to develop this before this video posts. My son has his 4 megapixel old Olympus camera, so this is also a video to show you that you don't need a great camera to take great photos. You will see how my son takes great photos using just a simple point and shoot camera, right?
Right.
Enjoy our little tour of this place and taking some photography. Also, we will get some drone footage of this beautiful place. So enjoy! So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified.
Leave a like and hit the notification button to get notified when a new video comes out.
And remember, all these photos that you've seen here were taken on the 4 megapixel Olympus camera. So they're great quality. If you want to start photography and don't have a budget for any camera, you can do analog. If you want to pay cheap for the camera but pay more for the photos taken, I prefer analog, as you can see. Or you can buy a cheap digital camera that will also do the same. And if you want to, after doing that, if you want more, you reach the limits of using your camera, that's when I guess the upgrade point comes in, that you reach the limits of your camera, you want to do more, and you want to upgrade to something better. You don't have to buy brand new. Like, all we got is used. So, and that's good enough for us. I still didn't reach the limit of this analog camera, and I wish I could do more photos with it. But stay tuned for the next video, and take care.
Take care.